Hey guys, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. As we're heading into a 3-day weekend, I want to remind you, as always, to go over to my website at www.mikemunzing.com. Now this week, I want you to take a close look at this rate sheet. We got hit pretty hard on Friday. Today, I'm filming this on Friday. The bond market took a bit of a beating. Rates are up about 0.25% over last week. They ebb, they flow, they've been hanging down for a little while. We never know when that kick up is going to really start. Let's hope it's not going to be sticking that way, but today was a rough day. Rates jumped up. Print that up, take it with you. You want to keep these buyers' expectations within reason. You want to let them know what the market's doing, let them know that at some point these rates are going to jump up. So we need to get them into those homes and get them going. What I want to do this week is circle back on a number of programs that have hit the market that are not on those rate sheets. They're not the standard programs, just some niches that I can offer you as a mortgage broker. Some of your in-house lenders don't have these programs, and some of the direct lenders, a lot of the direct lenders are not offering these programs. They're staying fairly close and tight in their guidelines. One of them is that FHA Back to Work program. Let me highlight a couple of the top issues relating to that. That Back to Work program is the 1 year after a foreclosure, short sale, bankruptcy. It's kind of after that 1 year time period. Now the issues with this program are that it has to be the result of either a job loss or a reduction in income. Their income has to be substantially less than it was before. It has to, those borrowers have to have at least a 620 credit score. They need to have reestablished their credit. They have to be blemish free for the past 12 months. And they have to also go through credit counseling within 30 days of the loan application. So got a couple of things that need to fit in there. I've talked to some investors. It's not the simplest program to get folks into, but it is a program that is out there. And if we find that niche buyer, every deal counts, every deal helps us all. So let's see if we can make that work for someone. Next is the 85% loan to value jumbo program. That's up to about $1 million. It doesn't go too far up, but it's 85%, no MI. So for that specific jumbo buyer who just doesn't have all that extra money available, we can get them in for 15% down. That'd be great. Also, the non-FHA, 95% conforming with no mortgage insurance. A lot of times it's rolled into the loan, so you're not seeing the mortgage insurance. What's nice about that is that FHA has gotten very expensive with that upfront mortgage insurance and with the monthly mortgage insurance up around $1.25 to $1.35 built onto the rate. That gets real expensive. So this is a great way to go. What's really popular here in California, I'm hearing from my investors that it's the 90% loan to value, no mortgage insurance, but also no escrow account. So they're truly in there, 10% down, no mortgage insurance, no escrow, so that monthly payment will be lower. It's been a hot program. And then for those of you who are working with cash buyers who want to get into that house, not have a loan, give them the advantage of that. It's what we call the delayed financing program. The day after they buy the property, all cash, we can get going on a loan for them. They can pull that cash back out up to whatever the cash out loan limits are, but it's a solid program. I can offer that. Not a lot of investors are out there offering that. We can put those together for you. Couple things to remember with me as a broker is that my investors are closing these loans in as little as 2.5, 3 weeks. So we don't always need that, but it is nice when we need it. I can jump right on those loans for you. I've been doing this 25 years. We can get the underwriting done quickly. We can get, the other point is that I can get you a letter directly from a direct lender 7 days a week. I know that's important to the listing agents. Most of the listing agents out there know who I am. I've been out here so long that most everybody knows definitely who I am and my name, so that helps in the transactions. But if they are requiring that direct lender pre-approval letter, I've got that for you as well. Well, hey, these are just some programs I wanted to highlight this week as we go into the long weekend. Now, I've mentioned before, I am on the city council for Aliso, Viejo, and this is my first year heading into Veterans Day being on council. And I tell you what, being it's Veterans Day on Monday, last night I had such a special opportunity to be with the veterans in Aliso, Viejo, and that is one of the coolest things I've been able to do thus far. So if you have a veteran in your family, if you know a vet, be sure on Veterans Day to let them know that you're thinking about them, you're caring about them, that they are very important to all of us, and their sacrifice has been so appreciated. I love these guys. They are absolutely heroes. We had a World War II vet last night telling stories of he was a glider pilot on D-Day. Oh, what an amazing story. What a hero. It's just great stuff. Want to mention that. It was really cool. And hope you have a wonderful weekend. Well, God bless you. God bless your families. God bless this beautiful, beautiful country. And let's work together. Call me anytime. I'm at 949-689-5626. And I look forward to being there for you and your buyers. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.